How to turn on or turn off show message preview on the Zoom application. Hello guys, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off show message preview easy and fast. So first thing, go to the Zoom application. This is the home page as you can see. Now go down below and click on those three dots right here. After you click on them, now you will have many options right here, but you have to choose the chat option right here. After you click on the chat option, it will take you to this page. Now on this page you have to go down until you find the option of show message preview. Now you can turn it on or turn it off from here as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.